In this video, we have 5 different salads you should add to your diet. So keep on watching to see how I make them. What's up everyone? Welcome to Beauty Farm. I'm Jujani and today I'm going to make some salads with different toppings and mixed vegetables. Salads are super fun to eat, not to mention the fact that they're healthy and delicious. So today I have different recipes that you can add to your healthy diet. I have 5 different recipes that you can make throughout the week, so stay tuned for those recipes. Before I get cooking, make sure you subscribe to our channel Beauty Farm for more videos like this and check out our other videos as well. Alright, let's get cooking. And there's our 5 tasty salads. It's so important for you to have a balanced diet, so try out our salads and let us know what you think. And also comment down below your favorite salad ingredient. My favorite is salmon, for sure. That's it for me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!